Well, you probably didn't notice, but a magnitude 3.6 earthquake shook up northern Illinois and parts of 3 other states this morning. The U.S. Geological Survey says the small earthquake was about 4:40 this morning, and it was centered near Standard, Illinois. That's about 100 miles southwest of Chicago. Now, this is what it looked like at a home in Earlsville, Illinois. Take a look. This is what the camera captured. You can see those pinball machines going off. People in southeast Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and northwest Indiana all reported feeling the quake. Now, no serious damage was reported. An official with Peru police says he was making coffee when his house shook and emergency calls began to flood in.